Now, everyone I know who lives in the western suburbs of Mumbai often speaks about how proud they are of their neighborhood, and they also boast about how self-sufficient is it. Today, I'm going to be exploring the Malad, Kandivali and Borivali neighborhood, as I have long been considering moving into this neighborhood. So today I'm going to find out what are the attributes that make them feel so proud. Well, the drive is certainly convenient as I drive through RA Milk or the Western Express Highway that connects to the major commercial hubs in the western suburbs. Interestingly, there's also a link road that connects South Mumbai to the region, and that surely eases a lot of traffic on the Western Express Highway. Well, now that I am here, I got to explore the neighborhood, and who better than my colleague Jeenal Inamdar, who's also a local here.
Hi Kamya, welcome to the western suburbs. So excited to show you around. Welcome to the Garden City.
Well, I'm quite pleasantly surprised by the kind of greenery this patch has to offer. And you just called it the Garden City. I believe it has maximum concentration of gardens and parks.
Well, that's correct Kamya, but you've only seen a portion of it. We also have the Sanjay Gandhi National Park, which is a great way to take a break from the noisy city. And not just that, we also have 7 beaches, including the Aksa beach, which is just very close. Do you want to start with that?
Sure. Lots of greenery and also a beach. Sounds like a great start. 25% of the total area is under green cover, including the Sanjay Gandhi National Park. And here we are at Mud Island, where the trees give you a truly tropical feel.
This is exactly where my mornings begin, and it is such a great way to start the day. In fact, if you go to the Gorai beach in Borivali, there's a big Vipassana pagoda, which is like the biggest meditation center, and it is just a boat ride away.
Wow. Well, truly, Jeenal, in a chaotic city like Mumbai, this place truly resonates beauty, serenity and a sense of calm. After that beautiful morning, Jeenal, I'm feeling a bit hungry, and I've seen so many of your food videos from the western suburbs. So where are you taking me first?
That's right, Kamya. We really love our food, and so there's this area called Mahavir Nagar in Kandivali West, which has the maximum number of eateries. So let's go there first.
Okay, let's go. It's true. This belt of the western suburbs of Mumbai houses some of the best street food in the city. The street food vendors here have their own cast of spices that weave a pleasant surprise of flavor.
Okay, so Kamya, this is the Mahavir Nagar area of Kandivali West, and you'll find loads of foodies here and a maximum amount of restaurants. Like in a close proximity, you'll even find iconic restaurants like Jimmy's Burger or Uncle's Kitchen, and here there's Starbucks, there's J Fries. So what do you want to have?
That's a crazy variety. I think I could just shift here for the food. But as of now, I'd like to grab a cup of coffee and maybe some Chinese food. So let's go.
Okay, so Kamya, you asked for Chinese, and I've got you to one of the oldest Indian Chinese joints, which is Uncle's Kitchen. It's been around since 1987.
Thank you for this, Jeenal. क्योंकि मुझे याद है जब मैं छोटी थी, मेरे पापा मुझे all the way Malad लाते थे to eat Chinese food at Uncle's Kitchen.
Oh.
So I'm quite excited to have chicken lollipop and some fried rice. Let's go. Wow, this is so good. That was a good meal, and I feel so full right now.
I know, Kamya, totally. But you know what the good part is, that you can burn all those carbs because there are so many gyms and clubs here, like the MCA club, the Goregaon Sports Club, all in the vicinity. Indulge in a variety of activities and tournaments that are arranged around the year at renowned sports clubs like the MCA or Goregaon Sports Club in the western suburbs.
Are you suggesting I need to go to the gym now?
No. I'm suggesting we should do some retail therapy and burn our carbs by shopping. There are a number of malls here, so let's go.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's go. The neighborhood is home to multiple malls such as Inorbit, Infinity, Grovels and the Ragulila Mall. So the malls here have maximum brands you can think of, and no wonder then, I think this is where you get your shopping fix from.
Absolutely, Kamya. But trust me, it's not just the malls. There are also a lot of street shopping areas like the Jamli Gali in Borivali or the Natraj Market in Malad. And I really have to show you those markets.
Oh my god. Clearly, one day is not enough to explore all of western suburbs. We've covered maximum number of places, but I think we'll have to leave some more for yet another day. With that, it's a wrap on the part 1 of exploring the western suburbs of Mumbai. But stay tuned for more, and to get a notification for the next Curly Tales video, remember to like, share and subscribe to Curly Tales.